Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover the submissions settings in your Titan account. To access this page, go to formtitan.com, log in, go to the Settings tab, and the Submissions subtab. In Titan, the submissions object is a custom object that comes in our managed package and is installed in your Salesforce environment. It is a means to allow web project information to be saved in a JSON format in Salesforce without parsing the individual fields out and saving them in individual fields in Salesforce. This is potentially useful if you have a web project and you want to allow the person who is entering data into that project to save and then come back later, and you don't need to save it all into Salesforce just yet. It'll look something like this. Titan will then create a My Submission record, and attached to that custom record is a file object, and this is the submitted information in JSON format. It looks like this. What you can configure is on the details of the file. If you go to the file details page in Salesforce, you can see that there are some fields that can be set on the content version object, and that is what you will set right here in this tab. Let's say we want to add a couple of fields. You will see on this left side drop-down list the fields that are available in the content version object. Let's say we just want to set a custom comment, and we'll call this custom comment, and maybe we want to change the description, call it my new description. We'll go ahead and apply this, and then for future submissions, when Titan creates the file record, these fields will be set accordingly. So let's give this a try. I'm going to come back into my submissions object. Here's one that I just created. I come into this custom My Submissions object. I'll go to the related tab, see that there's a file attached. And now if we look on the file details, we will see that the comments and the description field is set accordingly. And that is how it's done.